Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.8, Problem 1. This is Section 1.8, Problem 1. It says 36 increased by what number is 60? So we have 36 increased by, so plus some number adds up to 60. Well, you could try and guess at it, do some trial and error, and just add different numbers until you get to 60. But really, what would work best is if you just subtract 60 minus 36. And that's going to tell you what you have to add to the 36 to make it come out to 60. So as we start, I'm starting in the far right column, and I have 0 minus 6. Well, the 0 is not big enough to subtract 6 from it, so I'm going to borrow. So I'll go over one more column to the left. There is a 6 in the top position. I'm going to cross it off, replace it with a 5, and that will allow me to change that 0 into a 10. And now I do 10 minus 6, which is 4, and then in the left column, 5 minus 3, which is 2. So my answer is 24. So I claim that 36 increased by 24 adds to 60.